Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most popular wallets for Solana, that is Phantom Wallet. So if you are considering using Phantom Wallet in 2025, then watch this video until the very end. So Phantom Wallet is a non-custodial wallet specially designed for the Solana blockchain that lets you store, send, receive and swap Solana-based tokens. Plus, it can connect seamlessly with decentralized applications or dApps within the Solana ecosystem. So, whether you are a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting, Phantom Wallet's user friendly interface makes managing your Solana assets simple and efficient. Now, here are the top features of Phantom Wallet as of 2025. So Phantom Wallet is firstly available on mobile devices and as a browser extension, giving you flexibility across platforms. You can stake your SOL directly within the application and you can earn rewards out of it. With the private key stored locally on your device and biometric authentication on mobile, Phantom prioritizes security. If you are into Solana NFTs, Phantom Wallet also allows you to view, organize, and trade your collectibles effortlessly. Phantom connects to a wide range of Solana dApps for gaming, DeFi, and more. So, in a nutshell, if I just show you the pros and cons of the Phantom Wallet, if I talk about pros, it is user friendly. It can help you in staking and swapping, and it is reliable for security measures, and it also supports NFTs. However, it also has some of the cons which you need to consider. The first con is that it only supports Solana tokens and it relies heavily on Solana blockchain, so network issues could affect the performance. So getting started with Phantom Wallet is also straightforward. You just have to go to the Play Store or App Store, and here you need to search for Phantom Wallet. Now, once you found Phantom Wallet, you just have to simply tap on it in order to install the application in your device. Afterwards, you just have to simply create your account on it and then you can just simply start using it. So, in the conclusion, I can say that Phantom Wallet remains a top choice for Solana users in 2025 thanks to its sleek design and robust features. So, if you are diving into Solana ecosystem, it's definitely worth checking out. So, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more crypto related content. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.